Ever wonder if the moon is really made of cheese? Well, buckle up because we're about to blast off on a journey of discovery, unveiling the top 10 most fascinating facts about our lunar neighbor. Number 10. A moon that doesn't spin? That's right. The moon orbits Earth in such a way that it always shows the same face to us. This phenomenon, called synchronous rotation, is why we always see the same man in the moon. Moving on to number 9. The moon's surface is a record keeper. It's covered in craters, scars from billions of years of asteroid and meteorite impacts. Unlike Earth, the moon doesn't have weather or geological activity to erase these marks, so they stay there, forever etched in time. At number 8, ever heard of moonquakes? Yes, they're a thing. Just like Earth has earthquakes, the moon has its own version. Scientists believe these moonquakes are caused by the gravitational interaction between Earth and the moon. On to number 7. The moon is drifting away from us. Every year, the moon moves about 1.5 inches further from Earth. But don't worry, at that rate, it will take billions of years to lose our lunar companion. For fact number 6, the moon has no atmosphere. This means there's no wind or weather. But it also means that the sky always appears black, even during the lunar day. Halfway there with fact number 5, the moon is the 5th largest moon in our solar system. It's smaller than Earth, of course, but it's still a hefty chunk of rock measuring over 2,000 miles in diameter. Fact number 4, the moon's gravitational pull affects our oceans. It's the main cause of the rise and fall of ocean tides. High tide comes when the water is pulled towards the moon. Counting down to number 3, the moon is Earth's only natural satellite. That's a fancy way of saying it's the only celestial body that orbits around our planet. Almost there with number 2, the moon is the brightest object in our night sky. It doesn't shine by itself though. Instead, it reflects light from the sun, acting like a giant mirror in the sky. And finally, the most fascinating fact of them all, number 1, humans have set foot on the moon. The first person to walk on the moon was astronaut Neil Armstrong in 1969. Since then, only 11 other people have had that honor. So there you have it. The top 10 most fascinating facts about the moon. From its synchronous rotation to the footprints of astronauts, the moon is a constant source of wonder and mystery. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, there's a whole other world out there, just waiting to be explored.